Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, why don't I look the way I want even though I'm training hard and trying to eat clean? Maybe you've tried a 6-day bro split, endless cardio, or cutting out carbs completely. Maybe you even lost some weight, but it came right back. Or you've gained muscle, but ended up looking soft instead of lean. If any of that sounds familiar, I know exactly how you feel because I used to be there too. When I first started lifting at 19, I was just 120 pounds. I was skinny, frustrated. No matter what I ate, I could not gain any weight. I felt like the smallest guy in town, the smallest guy in the gym, intimidated, lost, and overwhelmed by all the conflicting advice online. And honestly, I thought about quitting. But I doubled down. Instead, I switched my major over to exercise science in college, and I dove into the research, training, nutrition, recovery, biomechanics, all of it. I stopped guessing and started applying science. And when I started applying that science correctly, everything changed. By the time I was 23, which is right now, I gained over 60 pounds of lean muscle the right way. So no dirty bulking, no starving myself, just a structured, sustainable plan built on consistency and progression. But more importantly, I fell in love with the process, and I realized something that most guys never figure out. That fitness isn't just about quick fixes, it's about building a system that you can sustain for life. And that's why I started CB Elite Performance Coaching. Because I know how frustrating it feels to waste years guessing. I know what it's like to try program after program, diet after diet, and feel like nothing is working. And I also know how powerful it feels when you finally find the right system. That's what I give to my clients, a proven path. I've helped men drop 20, even 30 pounds of fat. I've helped guys build lean muscle while working 50 hours a week. And I've coached men who thought their metabolism was broken, only to see them lean out, gain strength, and perform better than they ever have. The difference is they stopped guessing. They stopped chasing the next trend, and they started following a science-based plan that actually works. And that's exactly what the CB Elite 90-Day Rebuild is about. You're not broken, you just need the right plan. You got to train with structure and progression, fuel with proper nutrition, and stay consistent. Your body will change. So here's how it works. First, we build you a customized training plan designed around your schedule, your goals, and your experience level. Whether you've got 3 days a week or 5, you'll know exactly what to do when you step into the gym. Next, I create a tailored nutrition strategy. No cookie cutter meal plans, no starving yourself. You'll know exactly how to eat in a way that fuels your body, helps you burn fat, and build muscle while still enjoying real food. Then, we layer in accountability and coaching. Each week, we have weekly check-ins, we review your progress, and we make adjustments. You'll never feel stuck, second-guessing, or left on your own. Finally, you'll have direct access to me. Anytime you've got questions, need support, or hit a roadblock, I'll be right there to guide you through it. This isn't just about looking better for the summer, looking better for a short period of time. This is about rebuilding your body, your confidence, and your lifestyle in the next 90 days and setting yourself up to keep those results for life. So here's the deal. Spots in my program are limited right now. I don't take on everybody because I work closely with every single client to make sure that they succeed no matter what. If you're a guy who's ready to finally get lean, strong, and athletic, you're done wasting time in the gym, done guessing, done spinning your wheels, or you're trying to figure this out alone, and if you're ready to commit to yourself and transform in the next 90 days, this is who that is for. So click the link below, apply right now. Once you apply, you'll book a call with me so we can see if you're a good fit. If you are, we'll get started right away. But do not wait. Spots are first come, first serve. Click below now, apply, and let's get to work.